Well, moving on to the big story today, Karti Chidambaram, son of former Finance Minister P. has been produced in the Patiala House Court. Now, the 46-year-old businessman was arrested from Chennai and has been accused of taking bribes to help the INX media to get foreign investments. Now, Karti Chidambaram was brought to Delhi for detailed questioning in the case. Lawyer Abhishek Manu Singhvi appeared in court for Karti Chidambaram to oppose the arrest and also to oppose the CBI seeking remand. In fact, we also hear that Karti Chidambaram will not move the bail application today at the CBI Special Court just to oppose the police custody of the CBI. Meenakshi now joins me. Meenakshi, that is an extremely high-profile arrest made by the CBI today. Break down what happened in court.
Well, Kavita, the matter is still underway as we speak. Prior to the start of the matter, CBI has been conducting off-record briefing about the merits of its case, and why it has felt the need to do so is because it will be subjected to a very terse line of questioning even by the court, given the fact that this case has seen multiple twists and turns. It has been argued in the Supreme Court, it has been argued in the Madras High Court, and today, finally, the CBI has closed in and arrested Karti Chidambaram, and that arrest itself is a subject matter of scrutiny, given the fact that as Abhishek Manu Singhvi just moments back has been submitting in court that perhaps Karti Chidambaram's interests would have been served better if he would have been an India leaver, making a clear jibe at all the recent instances of Nirav Modi and others perhaps escaping the dragnet of scrutiny. And also remember, Kavita, this is not an isolated Karti Chidambaram incident anymore, given the fact that the Congress party has closed its ranks and come in support of the Chidambaram family. It is clearly a Congress versus BJP fight that is going to play out in the foreseeable future. Abhishek Manu Singhvi, a very eminent jurist, lending his might as we speak. And of course, the CBI, what it has up its sleeve is something very tough, because it is ideally wanting a custody period of 15 days for Karti Chidambaram. It has to convince the court as to why this custody is indeed needed for this purported financial bungling in its charge sheet, which is of an amount of 10 lakh rupees. And this, when Karti Chidambaram has cooperated with investigations, he has made himself available whenever asked to do so. But be that as it may, the arguments that CBI is going to advance to the court is that Karti Chidambaram has been evasive in his demeanor. He has not shown up for questioning. He is not cooperating, which is leading to delay in further investigations. So which way it will swing, we will keep a close eye. But for now, it's a very high-stake matter. As we have seen in the Supreme Court, how aggressively it has been argued, with the CBI digging its heels deep before the apex court, before relenting only when the Supreme Court beseeched for the CBI to consider Karti's request to travel abroad with an undertaking that he will return to India. Back to you.
Right. Meenakshi, also, if you could bring our viewers up to speed, give them a bit of background on what exactly are the charges against Karti Chidambaram. Why has he been arrested by the CBI today?
Well, Kavita, this has all transpired because our viewers will recall it was Indrani Mukherjee who was brought to Delhi from Bombay at the behest of CBI on a transit remand, and she has given a statement purportedly in which she has conceded to the fact, again purportedly, of having paid a said amount to Karti Chidambaram's alleged firm, which was involved in purportedly clearing some FIPB clearances. Remember, this is all, as we speak, in the realm of allegations. The prosecution has a job up its hands to prove its case in court before any of it really goes ahead and becomes as true. We know for a fact that the CBI on earlier occasions has besieged upon even the Supreme Court and said as to how there is so much material, perhaps all of the materials can't be made available in open court. To that we had seen that time Kapil Sibal really go ahead and tell the CBI to disclose all such confidential information that it is relying on in Karti's case, so that Karti himself is in the know of what the exact nature of these allegations are. But for now, if we are to rely solely on the charge sheet, there is this provision of broadening the spectrum of the charge sheet as well, Kavita, which could play out perhaps in the foreseeable future. But for now, there is this allegation of services that have been rendered allegedly by Karti's firm, which has led to a financial gain purportedly of 10 lakh rupees, which the CBI wants to delve deep into.
Right, Meenakshi, thank you for getting us all of those details.